Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to share with you 30 free patterns for you to make some plushies, some amigurumis, and other cute stuff like that. And yeah, I have a list that I've been using for a few months. I made a few of these patterns already. There are some that are still like in my queue of next projects. I'm really excited to share these patterns with you. They are all a lot from different creators. Some are from Instagram, Ravelry, some from some blogs or shops, from YouTube. I am going to organize this into two categories. First, the small or smaller patterns, and then I'm gonna present you some larger projects that are amazing but that requires more yarn and that may be a bit trickier sometimes. So let's just get into this video. So obviously I'm going to link everything in the description in the order I am presenting the patterns, so I hope it's going to be easy for you to get them. So the first pattern that I wanted to share with you is this snail pattern by Crochet Groove on Instagram. And this is a really amazing pattern because it's really quick to make. I guess you don't need to have lots of technique to be able to pull one very cute baby snail. The second pattern I wanted to share is the Chubby Whale by Mio21, and that's a very cute pattern, very quick to make as well. And just a quick note on both Crochet Groove and Mio21 on Instagram, they are these amazing designers and they have tons of very cute both free and paid patterns, but I would definitely recommend for you to have a look at what they are doing. I'm sure you're gonna find something that you're going to like and want to make. Then we have this little other pattern by V Crochet. I'm currently making another one, and yeah. After that, there is the Shroomy pattern by Domi's Crochet, which I find totally adorable, and I haven't made it yet, but that's definitely something I want to do soon. I also wanted to show you this little tiny dino, which is super cute, and it is a pattern by looped.hn. And finally, for this small patterns that you can find on Instagram, there is this adorable pattern that I just found this morning, which is the 3-in-1 taiyaki pattern by Zoe's Plushies, and that I really want to make, so I'm gonna make it like right now. That's all for the Instagram small ones. Now let's move to the blogs or Ravelry or shop patterns that I found. I wanted to start with this, my go-to pattern when I want to make keychains that look really cute, and that is the cute strawberry pattern by Garen K. Newton. So basically this is this strawberry pattern, and I think they have both written pattern, PDF pattern, as well as a YouTube video explaining how to make this cute strawberry. And yeah, it's a cool idea to make it into a keychain. So then we have this cute carrot pattern by Craftsy Amore. I love how this carrot looks. I think it's really adorable, and I also made one into a keychain. Next we have this adorable frog pattern by Peterchen. They are on Instagram, but I found their pattern on their website, and it's absolutely adorable. I've made it into a keychain as well, and you can note that they have also a YouTube video if you prefer to make these cute frogs. And finally, for this category, I'll say I wanted to include one of my own patterns, which is the fried egg crochet pattern that I made a few weeks ago maybe. It's really quick to work, and again, not using a lot of yarn, and it's free. So if you want to download, there's a PDF that you can download and a YouTube tutorial that you can see. I'm gonna link it somewhere here or here. So finally, for the small category, I wanted to include a YouTube tutorial that I found that is absolutely amazing, which is this small turtle crochet pattern by Rose and Lily Crochet. They have the pattern only for the turtle, but they also have like another video to make these petals and to turn basically your turtle into a sunflower turtle. So moving on to larger patterns, I'm going to start again with a few patterns that I found on Instagram, starting with the octopus banana pattern by woolly.amigurumis. I have made one, but it's not assembled yet, so I'm not going to show you, but very cute. Then there is this pom pom pudding from Sanrio Characters pattern by titabunny.eng, which is very cute too. After that, we have the ice cream cat pattern by created.by.lidlid. This one I actually have it somewhere as well. I was chosen to test this pattern, and now it's available for free on her Instagram, so you should definitely go have a look at that if you want to make your own kitty ice cream. Then, maybe the most, I don't know, this is kind of a potato unicorn Pegasus pattern, rainbow themed. Isn't that amazing? So this one is by monua.stuff, and I mean, it's absolutely adorable. I made it a few months ago and it was so fun. So if you're looking for an amazing, quick to make and very, very fun pattern, very eye-catchy, I think you definitely have one here. Okay, so now let's dive into the blog shop's Ravelry patterns, and I have a few that are from Wonder Crochet that I found on their blog, and let me show you. First, let's start by my absolute favorite, Mr. Chimera from Spy Family, the anime. And yeah, so I think it's an absolutely adorable pattern and it's free. Alright, then we have my second favorite and my mom's favorite, Kirby pattern. Kirby is one Sanrio character, and Sanrio is like Hello Kitty and stuff, so I think it's absolutely adorable. There is also a My Melody pattern, which is adorable, but there is also like, I think Hello Kitty, and there are like other tigers and other kind of amazing free patterns Again, I am going to add one of my own free pattern, which is the giant strawberry pattern, and I have a PDF as well as a YouTube video if you want to make your own strawberry. Now, my pattern doesn't include the dipped in chocolate part, it's only the strawberry, but you can definitely make a dipped in strawberry just by starting with another color and then changing back to red and then make the leaves. Now, I don't know if you've heard of Hobby. It is this amazing yarn, crochet, knitting related shop where you can buy all sorts of yarn. You can buy patterns, you can buy, they have a lot of stuff. First of this category there is the reversible cat. I haven't done it yet, but I tried starting one before and I have to tell you it is much larger than you imagine. Then we have Dylan the Dino. I made already 2 of these. I don't know if I can find pictures to show you. When I went to a convention last year, they were one of the first plushies to sell out. They are definitely very cute and people seem to enjoy them, so good pattern. This is the rainbow cake pattern that you can find at Hobby's website, and I cannot make this video without showing this to you. On the pattern you can see it's a very small rainbow cake, but with chenille yarn it does come out as a big cake. I think it's very cute, and I have a little tip for you. I honestly didn't quite like the strawberries that were included in the pattern for these, so I just took the strawberry pattern, the small strawberry pattern I showed you earlier, and I made 7 of them, and I think that looks amazing. Finally, for Hobby's patterns, I wanted to finish with their kawaii cupcake pattern, which is amazing. I don't know how many times I've said that already for that video, but it's a really cute pattern. But yes, kawaii cupcake. So finally I wanted to finish this part for the blog and other stuff patterns with a Ravelry designer. They are Aradia toys. If you're looking to make gorgeous Pokemons or other characters like South Park characters, or even they have a lot of it, so you should definitely have a look at that. And in the meantime I'm going to show you the Oddish pattern. Oddish is a Pokemon if you don't know. They also have a Pikachu, a Squirtle, Charmander. Just to warn you, these patterns appear quite small on the PDF pattern, but if you make them with chenille yarn like I do, you're gonna end up with a big plushie. I really believe that they have real high quality patterns, and you can find everything. For instance, so they have South Park, Adventure Time, Mario stuff, and they also have paid patterns that I haven't looked at already, but you should definitely go have a look at that. And finally, I wanted to include as well a pattern that I found on YouTube that I really wanted to make in the upcoming days or weeks, in the near future I'd say, and which is the heart-shaped cushion pillow pattern by Crochet with Mahum. And this pattern has really been on my mind for quite some time, and I need to make this with chenille yarn, and I think it's gonna turn gigantic but amazing. Okay, so I guess we reached 30 or 31 patterns, and I guess this is going to be the end of this video. I hope you have found, or I helped you find, a pattern that you want to make. If so, tell me in the comments what are you starting, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please consider subscribing and leave a like or comment, and it would be really appreciated. So I guess this is the end of this video, so see you next time. Bye!